Now, artificial intelligence is becoming a part of our everyday lives. Even dentists are turning to the technology as a tool to help make a diagnosis and spot an issue early. Joining us to explain is Trin Do from Smile in Style in Marrero. Good morning to you.
Good morning, John.
So I guess AI is in the news a lot, sometimes in a negative way. Your point here today is it's doing a lot of good for people and helping you get to things earlier?
Absolutely. AI is here. The future is here, and dentistry is where it is in 2024. AI has been a great diagnostic tool when we do with x-rays. So we're here to show you a few things that it can help you with.
And you brought your iPad here, so show me a couple of things there.
So typically when you have an x-ray taken at your dental office, it just shows up black and white. So your dentist may say, okay, well, do you see here, Mr. Patient, that this little dark area could be a piece of decay or there's something happening here. But for the most part, the patients may not be able to see what we're seeing.
Okay.
When we overlay the AI on top of it, it quantifies everything. It color codes everything. It allows patients to see something in red could be a very large cavity like this tooth right here. And it also can quantify how much tooth is missing. And it allows the patient to get better understanding of their dental health.
And that's important when you get over 50% of a tooth that's either gone or decaying or has dental work in it?
Correct, because let's say particularly this tooth right here. This tooth has a filling that's in blue and also has cavities on both ends. So this AI has indicated that this tooth has missing about 53% of its tooth structure. So if you're looking at that, you can tell the patient, hey, in addition to this cavity, you do have a lot of tooth that's already missing through that existing filling. So it allows the patient and the doctor to work together to be able to decide what treatment is best for that patient.
So it's artificial intelligence, but it's really augmented intelligence in the sense that the doctor's got the knowledge. It's not like you're putting the patient on a machine and saying, here, fix his tooth.
Yes, well, with our human eye, we can only detect about 70 different shades of grays, but with AI, it can detect 700 different layers of gray. So we're talking about early detection, more accurate, consistent detection. At the end, that information allows the doctor to be able to diagnose and quantify that detection as well.
And a lot of people obviously are religious about going to the dentist, some more than others. Your children get their checkups, so if you spot, this is the kind of thing that would spot a very tiny cavity, and you're talking about treatment that's much less invasive and also, I assume, less costly?
Absolutely. So with AI, it's detecting it so early on that we're able to detect small issues before they become big problems. Because we're really moving the goal of dentistry from treating issues to preventing issues.
We hear so much bad about AI. How is this revolutionizing the industry?
Well, AI is so quick. I mean, like a lot of times when we're looking at an x-ray, I started almost 30 years ago when we had an x-ray that was only an inch small, putting it on a light box, and we're still diagnosing off of that. Now we've transitioned to digital x-rays, now digital on top of AI. So it's incredible to be able to diagnose and be able to check it a lot quicker.
That was the dark ages, Trin. That's all right. When I started in TV, they were still shooting with film. So,
exactly. We've come a long way.
Trin Do, thanks so much. Appreciate it.